Hello my lovelies, so today I'm going to share with you some of my important skincare products that I use on my skin. And I'm starting with this lovely product from Rock. It's called the Revive and Glow Eye Balm. This has vitamin C. This is going to help to brighten the eyes and make those under eye circles disappear. It's going to hydrate the skin as well. And of course I'm just using my fingers to blend that in just a little bit, and I'm doing this very gently. And next, I'm using this eye serum. This is from Elizabeth Grant, and I'm just using this on my lash line. You can also use this on your brows as well, and also on your bottom lashes. This is going to help to maintain thick, healthy eyelashes and eyebrows. And of course, this is a clear mascara, which is going to give my eyelashes just a little bit of a shine. This is from Natural Collections. It came in a BoxyCharm box some time back, and I really like this product a lot. And this is the star of the show today. This is from Rock, and this is the Firming Serum Stick. And this is going to help to lift and tighten and firm and brighten the skin. It is an amazing skincare product. It doesn't make your skin oily or dry. It doesn't make your skin feel tacky or tight. It is an amazing serum for your skin. And it goes on very soft. And I use this twice a day. And I'm just going in now with a concealer under my eyebrows. And this is as far as I'm going to go today when it comes to makeup, because I'm trying really hard not to put on too much makeup on my face. I want to be able to use key skincare products that's going to help to maintain the clarity of my skin, because I love the way my skin is looking right now. So I'm just blending this out under my eyebrows. And next, I'm just going to go in with a black eyeliner, and I'm just going to line the under corners of my eyes just to open up my eyes a little bit. I don't use this technique very often because my eyes are super sensitive and my eyes water all the time. So I always take my time whenever I'm doing this. You can use a gel eyeliner if you want, but I don't use gel eyeliners because at the end of the day I feel like I look like a raccoon, so I just like to use a pencil to do this. And again, this really helps to open up my eyes a little bit, make them look a little bit brighter, and make it looks nice and clear as well. And this is one of my favorite mascaras from e.l.f. It's called Lash It Loud. And of course, I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys. And this is going to give my lashes just a little bit of a length on top of the clear mascara that I use, which is going to help to give them a little bit of a glow, which makes my eyes look very simple and easy and sexy at the same time. And of course, I'm just going in with a black eyeliner gently on the bottom waterline, and that's it. I love this lip gloss from Essence. It's called Sparkling Purple. The pigmentation is really lovely. It gives my lips a little hint of purple with a little bit of a shine, not too overdone. I am going to leave all of these products in the description box for you guys. It is a lovely lip gloss from Essence. Again, it's called Sparkling Purple. I'm going in with the lashes, and voila, it's done. It's just so easy. Hair is coming down and my skin is looking so good. I am 60 years old, guys, and this is my skin. I will always encourage you guys to take care of your skin. Use those products and use them constantly. And I always like to go in with a spray, and this is from Versanti. This is a rose water and pomegranate face spray, and this helps to tone and hydrate and keep your skin looking nice and fresh throughout the day. Incredible, amazing. And I'm just going over my lip one more time with this lip liner, and this is called Chestnut from MAC, and that's it. And this is going to be my skin for the day. There is no makeup on my face. My skin is nice and clear. And here we be. I'm going to list all of these products in the description box for you guys, and I hope you can pick up on one of these things. Take care of your skin, my loves. Happy New Year, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.